Okay, well I figure I'll do some updates as I go along, in case people didn't see or didn't realise what sort of stuff I have in stock. Still got some repair jobs and things. That little post hole digger would need a good home. I'm never going to use the damn thing. Engine's alright, it just needs a good carby. Adapt a better carby than the piece of crap that it's got on it. Ridiculous compression. I've done a video on it before. Just look up Tecumseh's post hole digger or something like that under my videos. The micro space heater that needs repair. I'll have to put that in the to-do pile. Yeah, there's the twin smart drive. I knew it was around here somewhere. That's what those three-phase rectifiers are for. I saw a video of one of those running through a three-phase rectifier. Cabling, speaker and power, I'll keep that. Some brand new tractor tubes that they gave me at work. Apparently they had this mesh pull cover system that tended to sink to the bottom when it was on a big pull. So the result was to ship a couple of these with it. Silly idea, they don't do them anymore. And adapters. This thing needs a good home. I've got no leads for it. It's an engine analyzer. I did find the pins which go to the scope though. I haven't had the scope running. I'll drag that out when I get the chance or when I get in here. Just going to push forward and get into that stuff. I've already cleaned out the motor shelf to make room for that one down there, little VEG, 3-phase. That monitor can go inside because that's for my 386 antique computer. And that thing there, well, God knows where that's going to end up. Maybe in the bin. I just realised I have all the control gear for this as well. There's the relays. That one is a air valve for the vacuum pump to switch the vacuum on. There's a DC rectifier and control transformer, which is probably quite crucial to its operation. Although this has its own power supply built in, so maybe not. It's got a phone connection for some reason, maybe telephone trigger. Output for vac pump, I think. And input, standard PC power input. It doesn't say what voltage this runs on though. That's the other question. Will it run on US 110 volt? Because that's a 240 volt transformer. That'll have to be replaced. It's on 6.7 volts output there, so you just get a 6.7 or 8 volt transformer. This might be another matter. Okay, this may or may not run off 120, 50 or 60 hertz US power. The main plug just goes straight into the board and yeah, wherever it goes. That's a 240 volt 50 hertz transformer with 15, 0, 15 output. So it's 15 or 16 volts across them plus 9 volts 3 amps at the bottom. It actually says it's a telecom thing, so it's probably related to the phone input. Yeah, it's old. I cut the leads off the external power outlet. But yeah, I don't know how it would go. There's a selector switch on the back here, but it doesn't say what that does. I was hoping it might be a voltage selector, but I really don't know. I'm not going to take my chances and plug it in and have it go bang, but yeah. It's a neat little module. Just don't know if it'll run on US power. I've got the old JAP out and running. I was actually thinking of selling this because it just doesn't get run enough. I mean, a friend of mine has the rest of a rotary hoe that's missing the engine only, and I could easily build another one out of it. That's the only reason I'm hanging on to it. But, I don't know, if the offer's good enough, I'll part with this one. It does run, it's just very old and very worn, but it will run again.